after adding all the activities for substructure, we need to make one small modification over here. Pin bin construction and ground floor slab construction are going to end together. Let's change the relationship from finish to start to finish. That means they're parallel activity, they're going to end together, the casting is going to be done together. After schedulings, you can see they are parallel now. This ends adding construction activity for our substructure works. Total duration takes for substructure as 74 days. Now in summary, it is showing 24 September. It is coming from a first activity. And 18 December 18. If you see over here, this is showing 13 December. This is showing 18 December. And over here, this is the last activity that is coming over here. This is being reflected over here. If we just collapse it, this WBS will show the start and finish of the first activity, that is start of the first activity, and the finish of the late, that is the last activity. This ends a substructure WBS works.